Halo, welcome to Learn Indonesian with Maria. Did you know that every August, Indonesian people celebrate the Independence Day? So in today's video, we are gonna learn how to pronounce the word merdeka, a powerful word that means independence or freedom in Indonesian language. Let's get into it. Merdeka. 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 For example, merdeka artinya bebas dari penjajahan. Para pahlawan telah berjuang agar bangsa Indonesia merdeka. Nia merasa merdeka setelah putus dari pacar toksiknya. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the button like and see you soon on the next video. Bye bye, sampai jumpa.